Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2024 Toyota Highlander. From its stunning design to its advanced features, this SUV is truly something special. Let's jump right in. Past Toyota Highlanders have taken the shotgun approach to the mid-size SUV segment, offering myriad trims, standard and hybrid powertrains, and front or all-wheel drive variants. In order to cover the widest possible swath of buyers, the Highlander gets some relief for 2024, with the arrival of the larger 2024 Grand Highlander, which offers more third row and cargo room. This leaves the Highlander free to focus on its core mid-sized mission, which starts with dropping the base L trim from its crowded lineup. And sorry to disappoint, that's about the extent of changes for 2024. It continues to deliver a smooth ride and acceptable handling characteristics as expected of a family-focused SUV. If it has a wild side, we've never experienced it. The Highlander, while thoroughly competent, is a less compelling alternative in comparison. What's new for 2024? The updates for 2024 are minimal. The base L trim has been discontinued, as are the bronze editions of the Hybrid and Hybrid XLE. In their place are the Nightshade and XLE Nightshade trims of the Hybrid model. Additionally, the XLE, XSE, Limited, and Platinum trims now have a standard hands-free power liftgate. Toyota replaced the V6 with a new turbocharged 4-cylinder for the 2023 model year. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2024 Highlander offers buyers a choice of a traditional gasoline or hybrid powertrain. The gas version uses a 265 HP turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. So equipped, our drivers coaxed an all-wheel drive version from 0 to 60 mph in an unhurried 7.2 seconds. The Highlander Hybrid employs a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 2 electric motors for a combined 243 horsepower. The Hybrid uses a continuously variable automatic transmission (CVT) and offers a choice between front and all-wheel drive, though considerably more fuel efficient. The Highlander Hybrid keeps pace with the gas car, trailing it by just 1/10 of a second in the 0 to 60 miles per hour run. Both versions provide the stable and predictable ride and handling characteristics preferred for family chauffeur duty. Once a bit of an outlier, the Highlander Hybrid now has a bevy of competitors, including the Ford Explorer Hybrid, Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid, Mazda CX-90 PHEV, Kia Sorento Hybrid, and more, pitting these electrified utes against each other. The Toyota comes out on top in terms of fuel economy and real-world MPG. The gasoline Highlander wears EPA estimates 25 mpg combined, 21 mpg city, and 29 mpg highway, though the all-wheel drive version subtracts 1 mpg in each metric. The Highlander Hybrid is significantly more efficient, returning 36 mpg combined, 36 mpg city, and 35 mpg highway, with all-wheel drive models registering 1 mpg less in combined and city ratings. To date, we haven't had an opportunity to put either version through our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route, but we'll update this story with the results when we do. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The base L model, remember, the L is dropped for 2020 for can seat 8 passengers, but second row captain's chairs are available on Z and above trims, reducing the head count to 7. It's worth noting that due to packaging variations, the Hybrid has 2.3 inches more second row legroom than the gas model. The gas model, however, has 1.6 inches more driver and front passenger legroom, although the passenger space is on par, or slightly more generous here than in the CX-90. The Chevrolet Traverse remains the passenger space king, its third row offering nearly 6 more inches of legroom than the Highlander. Cargo room is the same story, with only 4 carry-on suitcases fitting behind the Highlander's third row compared to the Traverse's 6. Materials throughout the cabin have been improved over the previous generation Highlander, and the design is basic but functional. Upscale Limited and Platinum models provide the most creature comforts with leather upholstery, a larger infotainment screen, ventilated seats, and more frills, but still fall short of the feature-packed Palisade and Telluride. Infotainment and connectivity. The LE and XLE make do with an 8.0-inch infotainment screen, but a 12.3-inch setup is optional on the XLE and standard on Limited and Platinum. The latter also gets a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, while the rest of the lineup uses traditional analog gauges with a small 7-inch information screen. A 6-speaker audio system is standard, but an 11-speaker JBL audio system is available on XSE and Standard Unlimited and Platinum. All models get SiriusXM satellite radio, for LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration. An integrated wireless smartphone charging pad is standard on XLE. And above, navigation is available on XSE and Standard on the top 2 trims. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Toyota Highlander starts at $40,665 and goes up to $52,820 depending on the trim and options. So, there you have it, folks, the 2024 Toyota Highlander, with its stunning design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. This SUV sets the standard for excellence in its class. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, happy driving.